What I'm going to do is a Tibetan chicken broth and dumplings. First thing, I've got chicken over here. Now we're going to cover it with some water. We're just going to gently bring that water up to a boil. I'm just going to add the chicken to the pan. Okay, yeah. There we go. And then into this pan go the aromats. It's wonderfully fresh chopped ginger. And then lots and lots of garlic. Onions have gone in. Celery has gone in. About 2 carrots which I've chopped into roundels. And now our daikon radish or mooli. Now into this, the pak choy, keeping them whole like this. And now it's time for our spices. So, couple of sticks of cinnamon, sauce of fennel, lots of cloves, as many as you like. And of course, peppercorns. Some salt. What we need to do now is add our herbs. Okay. Time to add our dhania. Take a few green chilies. Okay, so in goes the chili. Now all I need to do is cover it with water. And now we're just gonna let this water come to a very gentle boil. What we're going to do now is add our greens. So these leaves of pak choy, in they go. Just going to turn up the heat ever so slightly and let those pak choy leaves cook gently just for a few moments. Now while that's happening, we are going to begin seasoning and finishing our broth. So what I have over here, some soy sauce. In goes the soy. Some malt vinegar for that nice twang and sharpness. Next, a little bit of sugar. A nice big lime. Our broth is now done. It's coming along nicely. It tastes fantastic. I'm just going to let it simmer for the last 5 to 10 minutes. And while that's happening, I'm going to shred all of this wonderfully poached chicken. All we need to do now is add back our shredded meat. What I've got over here are some fried momos. So I've got a few of these dumplings. What I'm going to do is just bung them in as well. Now prepare our garnish. Some coriander. Chuck some coriander in as well. Beautifully fresh mountain mint. Take off the leaves. Last but not the least, my Chinese chili oil. some mint.